Created from keyboard is CS01. CS finished folder. Charger 002 is your finished folder. Then you selected plan. Which plan you work. And which bomb you uses. Suppose you uses many types of bomb where uses in production. Select you say, selected in item category. And your component is and quantity. And you see and then save. And you create route work center. That's record is CR01. आ रहा है आवाज?
दिव्येंदु एक मिनट स्क्रीन थोड़ा छोड़ना 1 मिनट के लिए।
छोड़ दो।
हाँ करो।
कैटेगरी
कटिंग मशीन 2 कर दो ना उसको, वही कर रहे हो कॉपी, दिमाग तो लगाओ। 2 करो ना उसको। दीपांजन, you also put your effort, right?
Yes, sir.
Avinash, also you have
Yes,
to
sir.
give input, no? Yeah, what is our work center category?
Mission.
Machine 0001. अरे सर एक क्वेश्चन था।
Yes, ask me.
यस सर, कि ये जो मशीन पे हम वर्क सेंटर को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, ये क्या कोई वर्कर पे भी किया किया जा सकता है?
Yes, किया जा सकता है. It's depend on business requirement. First, you need to understand because already you are capture machine as a in labor time you are capturing into routing, but you can create work center also. But you need to you see if you are maintaining labor as a uh, work center. So you need
Yes.
to check how it will map means what is the requirement of business. They want to check output of material labor or what exactly.
अच्छा.
It could be happen. Suppose if there are manual work, sometimes it's happen no. There
Yes, sir.
In
suppose
packing way we use, sir.
if you see packing if there is a packing operation is going, so packing done by the manual person,
Yes,
women.
sir.
Okay, on that time how you will check what is how much quantity is produced, how much quantity is packed. On that time you can do like this. Understood?
That means that at that time the work center will be only the labor.
Right. Because there is no
No machine.
nothing machine. There is no involvement of machine.
अच्छा. लेकिन सर वहाँ पर भी हमने देखा कि बेस पे जो चार्जर को चढ़ाता है पैकिंग के बेस में, वहाँ पर चारों तरफ ड्रिल कर देता है. वो तो मशीन के थ्रू ही करना है. उसके
Machine
बाद
that's I'm telling you. You see one example I'm giving you. Suppose do you know papad?
ये सर.
Because if you see in paper manufacturing unit now machine is operated by machine, but there is a lots of paper company, they are making manual. Okay, so there is a lots of ladies or gents are there, they are use their billion or what we can say, through that they are doing.
That means their work center will be labor.
Yes.
And sir, in the creating bomb, why we give alternative bomb? मतलब इसका कोई जरूरत है देने
Yes,
की?
yes. Suppose एक material आप you are producing one material, one finished component. So sometimes there is a one option. You can use this component, or sometimes you can use another component. Okay, so on that time you have to create the bomb. Suppose I am giving one example of laptop. If you are creating a laptop, sometimes what happens, this is the assembly items. So sometimes you are using Intel um keyboard, sometimes you are using Samsung keyboard. So for this,
Yes,
because your finished product is the same,
yes,
so there is no any impact, you have to use only keyboard. So which keyboard of manufacturing company are using, that could be maintained. Avinash, are you getting?
Yeah.
That means the vendor raw material vendors are changing in that
Yes.
case. In that.
Devendu, you do fast.
सर
Avinash,
सर
and
बहुत स्लो
also
है
Dipanjan, you see what
इसका
you are
बहुत
giving.
स्लो है
So
Yes,
slow
sir.
hai, within 4 minutes you complete. My recording will be switched off.
Yes. 4 minutes 35 seconds.
Sir, in the bomb, we are sub item is one is there, no sir. We will not use that one.
Sorry.
Sub item is there, no. What is the purpose of sub item? Bomb.
I will let you know later. You can write down this question. First, we have to complete all scenario. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are going to save it. Okay. Our word center is created. Now I will create routing. Click on operation. see, Dipanjan, you were asking something now. Who will give this time? This time will be given by business.
अच्छा
I will suppose maybe they don't know setup time or labor time. They not able to tell. So you can mention only your machine time. Okay, just you check here. What are the data is there? Yeah, you see group counter is 1. Understood. Now if I save it, so here routing is created. So you have seen how we create our. Have you created bomb?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा bomb create कर दिए क्या? Good.
कर दिए सर. सर C223.
नहीं अभी उसको मत दिखाओ पहले इसको ये कराओ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
वैलिडेट क्या दिए थे?
सर एक 30.
Date of production version is not matched. So now I save it. So production version is done. So thank you. Be online. Okay, I'm going to close our session today for our master data creation. Thank you.